If you're looking for a great AI tool, there's so many to choose from, but today we are going to put head-to-head AI tools on top of their game. We're having a look at LM Studio. We're also having a look at the classic ChatGPT. We want to know what they offer and how they actually contend against each other. So with LM Studio, which is a local AI-powered assistant, you can actually run powerful language models directly on your own machine. This means that there's no internet required, okay? It supports GGUF models like Llama, Mistral, and Gemma from Hugging Face. You can actually chat through the app, or you can even connect it via an API. You can see over here some of its other features is a built-in model discovery. So you can actually browse and download models directly from Hugging Face, which means there's no manual configuration that is required. Also means that there's no technical experience required. It has a one-click API server, so you can actually set up an OpenAI compatible interface instantly. So it also integrates with your existing apps, which of course is awesome. And it has a command line power. So you can actually use CLI and headless operations for automation. It's perfect for developers and power users. Okay, the classic ChatGPT. So with ChatGPT, you can do so much. It has custom plugins for specialized tasks. It has a memory feature to retain context. It also offers third-party integrations for workflow enhancement, and it has multilingual support for global accessibility. You can do a ton of awesome things, such as email drafting. You can write code, you can compose essays, and you can do proofreading, idea generation, brainstorming, content summarization, and expansion. The possibilities really are endless. You can see that it powers interactive tutoring systems and personalized learning platforms that adapt to individual student needs and learning styles. You can also see that it assists with content creation, so it assists writers, marketers, publishers in generating, editing, and optimizing various types of content across industries. And you can see over here that it has enhanced support systems for Fortune 500 companies, reducing response times and improving customer satisfaction metrics. It also helps programmers with code generation, debugging, documentation, and explaining complex programming concepts. ChatGPT has actually spawned a diverse ecosystem of custom tools and applications built on its API, extending its capabilities into specialized domains and workflows. You can see over here as well that ChatGPT extends beyond just text with DALL-E 3's integration. It enables you to generate detailed images from textual descriptions with pretty remarkable, accurate results. It is through its partnership with Microsoft Bing, the system that delivers real-time information retrieval and web search functionality. It ensures responses contain current information and accurate information. The custom instructions feature also allows you to establish persistent preferences for response styles, format, and content focus. This creates a very personalized assistant experience overall. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, the best of the best. If this video was enjoyable, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We will see you next time.